I think the biggest one from Nhyira has been the story of Enzo Fernandez and Chelsea for ultimatum.
Deadline date.
I want to clap for Chelsea.
Oh,
who say in semi buy akoye Enzo Beko. But I think that even before see a bubble ball near who say be a team that Chelsea are building very successful or not, in terms of the summer alone, personally I've been impressed with how Chelsea have managed the summer. So last season I saying Chelsea this summer is supposed to be a make or break for Chelsea, because now it's a pruning squad, now the real world beaters have scored in him. And I don't think so. But me a Chelsea team anymore. Who a clear-cut difference in terms of improvement in certain areas. Last season, I did about Chelsea for Rebecca say a cause to bad performance was the absence of a proper centre back or the centre back depth after the injury of Levi. Now Levi is back, and Wesley is still there, and they've added Maxime Estève. Any him say Axel de Sassi, any Benoit Bediashile, any Chalobah, any Tosin, and we are surplus to demands now. And me can several times say, Oshobiti said Tosin, Chalobah, de Sassia. They are not in its entirety bad defenders, but based on the way a Chelsea person was born, they are not stylistic fits. Obi said Tosin say, and I'm sure we know besides Afi Tosin wo Fulham no obo. I didn't say okay. Usually, Anna, you discuss it transfers that we forget to discuss it based on the manager's style of play.
And even team no ground ball.
And manager no or manages our team. Because at Fulham under Marco Silva, his job was not to defend high or sit deep. No, defending the box.
The crowd maker in terms of pressure. Chelsea are very demanding.
Yeah.
Fulham no Premier League no bono.
Yeah.
Your boy we now that made the whole baby he's okay.
Yeah.
And that's unkoji EPL.
Yeah, but you say the performance on the field of play that will let the pressure come on you. Say who deliver under the into say who him saying your boss our style of ball. Not say team they struggle, then you are in trouble. So I'm not surprised say Chelsea are willing to sell Tosin at Rabiayo. I'm not surprised that even though because Trevoh Chalobah is a good player. But me, I can several times say Trevoh is as good as only a squad player in terms of centre back. Why do I say so? Trevoh is a natural box defender. Low block, near body defender box no, or no back to former block box in Yama. But some centre back could be defender front footed. Step up into midfield, why very aggressive, why very dominant. Aerial duels. Trevoh falls short in that area. And that is why, for me, I think it was a brilliant swoop to take that amount from Como. At Como, this season, Fabregas knew Como will play the Champions League. And there are going to be times where Como will be forced to defend their box because Omo will against certain big boys or Champions League game. So he will be a fit there. But at Chelsea, definitely there were going to be some lapses in there. Same for Axel de Sassi, who has to go on. And for them to be able to do this and go to Crystal Palace and share me, before Chelsea bought Maxime Estève, I had not watched him so much. I'm so okay. Then it's important for me to go and read the scout report and then further watch him at the World Cup. I think he's a decent centre back. Onye, world class. But there are two things about Maxime. Chelsea. The two centre backs are normally very good. Only both front footed centre back actions now. Nobody's a natural leader. Into young players, Wesley Fofana injuries into Onya stability. Levi Cole of Chelsea Academy in Wako Brighton, and he had to jump and not understudied anybody. But Maxime Estève had grown through the ranks from Wolfsburg in Germany and then come through to Crystal Palace and Oliver Glasner. And one of the main things was that Ubisa Crystal Palace for the Nhyira. Adiaba Maxime Estève the leadership ability that he brings to them. Communication with the fans. Now, watch almost every Premier League winning team. In centre back, there is at least a leader from the back. You can even go as far as Leicester City time on winning the likes of Mike O'Brien more at the time. There was a leader at the back. Christian Fuchs, there was somebody that was supposed to be a leader. And then if you go to Liverpool, Virgil van Dijk is still there as the leader of the team. Gabriel Magalhaes has been the leader of the Arsenal back line. at Manchester City, Ruben Diaz was young, but also leadership characteristics and tenets, and he's able to show it on the field of play. Chelsea have not had that. So in bringing in Maxime Estève, somebody who can defend front-footed, ultimate step up, could defend aggressive, or that height personality.
Reason to me, we need that leadership qualities, no.
Which means sometimes there are certain things that whether you have or you don't have. Obibe Timia maybe are 10 years younger than you, but not a natural born leader. Reese doesn't talk. Usheriza, he is more laid back. He's just not that leader that you need at the back. Yeah, if you put somebody like Madrid class centre backs, Dean is not a natural leader. Usually very calm, very more composed. So on the ball. Militao a little, but Rudiger is more front-footed in terms of leadership. But sometimes a little bit indisciplined, so you will not want to bank on him as much. But they are natural born leaders, and that is what, when you look at the characteristic and personality of Maxime Estève, he brings. Plus the aerial dwelling ability, very important. Chelsea are solving at least the basic problem of aerial duels. Because look at the team that Chelsea had. Having an aerial dominance was a big problem. Then coming forward, bringing Obi to say Morgan Rogers has been an important one. You see, people will not talk about it, but Morgan Rogers defensively helps Chelsea even more than he does attacking wise. Goal scoring is not the problem, but the problem is how Chelsea were going to press without the ball, and then start the press from up top, win draws over there, and then do a good job in PMP, pace and power, no? And then when you have that at the back, so those changes again. When you look at the games again, one player that I had not followed so much was Marco Palestra from the Italian Serie A. But one thing a pricky margin was the fact that the very first thing was that he was the best defender. He wasn't the best young defender. He wasn't the best fullback. He wasn't the best right back or left back. He was the best defender in the just ended Italian Serie A. Last season, Italian Serie A, with your Bastonis and what have you, Marco Palestra was the best defender. And that obviously tells you that in terms of prospects, and it's also Marco Palestra. Oma Xabi Alonso, two things. The two fullbacks that Chelsea taught this summer, give them that same thing. Fullbacks that can also play as wing backs. Say Chelsea saw a person with a wing backer. You can play with Marco Palestra on the right hand side. If you want to play with a fullback, Marco Palestra can also be a fullback for you. The big issue with Palestra is that he's not a natural defender 1v1 in the wide areas. And that is why it's important to bring in outside centre backs who are more comfortable defending their channels. And that's what Chelsea have done. And I think that the icing on the cake was that ultimately that Chelsea found them at Manchester City. And I think that ultimately, also ultimating to Barcelona. Richardo. It's a big ultimatum to the two teams. Say what person were referring Enzo Fernandez. We are not based on a Juma Yaya team. And you are saying 1 week to the start of the season.
No, that's open.
Now, after the because Chelsea first game I think was on the 25th or so. This Monday week. Chelsea won the first game against Fulham. Inti Edru wanna say Chelsea enter Enzo Fernandez. Ubu wanna say Ampampa say talks Koswa. Na Xabi Alonso assistant team na Enzo Tifi. Then there are speculations around him. Ubu wanna see a coach training. Yes, so Enzo was not seen there. Then there are speculations around him. Ubu wanna say training on him. Enzo Mbobio, Emani Mbobio, Ontinefi. Chelsea have said that in building that team for Xabi Alonso, they want finality. And when play about Coupen and Omunim say Obeko on corner one and it's Enzo Fernandez. So what you have told Manchester City say Ampampa opener. It is £120 million by tomorrow 5 p.m. UK time, which is 6 p.m. Ghana time. It's 4 p.m. Ghana time. Sorry. So why already say Oba befa Enzo Fernandez? Otsina 4 p.m. Ghana time, 5 p.m. UK time. Baba befa boy no kunyenko. Enya fe na player no train away for them but no. And I think that is one of the best ways to manage the situation of Enzo Fernandez and Xabi Alonso. Just so season never starting there are no roadblocks. Momacha binyanya juma or show and show it is his job that he's doing. Then you can assess him based on the job. Because one of the biggest issues with Enzo Maresca was that Enzo said there was interference, Nyama instability or club with him. So they want to take away all of those roadblocks. Then you allow the manager to work. Plus, it is true. Chelsea are hurt or have been hurt by the act between Manchester City and Enzo Maresca when it happened in January. They felt say it wasn't done professionally. And if you go back, Abra Chelsea from this statement by Enzo Maresca, they mentioned say they now have a new professional coach in Xabi Alonso. Essentially taking a swipe at Enzo Maresca, say he wasn't professional. And yes, Encapedo need to earn £75 million in today's market. Enzo Fernandez, based on the amortization Chelsea have done, they could have taken 100 million and almost mocha. But they still want to insert and are they be very interesting. When you read all of those writers from Austin and then Fabrizio, Rich, they emphasize on two things. One, 120 million can air net. It is not gross. So it means that after tax and everything, Chelsea should have 120 million. Two, based on Austin and Fabrizio's report again, they have been clear that Chelsea have communicated payment terms to City. Independently and I say privately, my City for not catch and pampa pena. You almost 5 p.m. But the 5 p.m. no payment terms say near pay. I am thinking that a bit me I say a chunk
of the money
no up front before you spread it across. Because here in your time you go to new player. Chelsea they can almost 67 million Alex Scott Bournemouth sonje. Say Bournemouth nyati say Chelsea nya 120 million than accounts ma. They will at least raise the price for Abrante friend Alex Scott. So I like the fact that they are managing that. Whether or not City will get it, no, it has also put the stress on City for no and Chelsea for no you must free home. At least Chelsea fans will know that the owners try to keep Enzo Fernandez. Can they do it? Ombe to me. And I think there is enough time.
Okay.
Especially given the report of this morning on Abrante friend Tijani Reinders to
Saudi Arabia.
In Saudi Arabia. If they get that 60 million, it's enough money to start massaging and manipulating to come back to the table. But how quick that can be done? And Chelsea have given them the shortest time possible.
By football, that's
Are they?
Tijani Reinders Saudi Arabia for what?
City for midfielders.
That guy quality
but City's midfielders in the last few years, most of the midfielders City have bought, it has not ended them up well with them.
Fine, say be a City now far. Still na say Europe Ubenya club yabo. I didn't know person Saudi Arabia. So they are not paying me who store and I was like how.
But say off and in free.
Tijani Reinders.
Off and in free any other solid place in Maya.
Okay.
You would have to stay
you
there.
You need to consider scanning
which quickly on Barcelona and Rodri Cascante. But first off with Julian Alvarez. Barcelona, I'm forget here.
Oh, some boy in the Bobo.
Rich. Bobo Bonnet there. No, your boy no deal. But I think they should forget. Let's go.
But situation now war at the end of and the money difficult. I say Barca and said ni upper hand be gidi. Nini now is on the boy. To push it.
It is not okay yeah, to push it.
So what I say, but only a little command for Nkasa. Yeah, but situations now what the end a too complex.
So it comes down to say, let's go return as someone. Let's go say they won't sell.
And I'm going to Barcelona.
Now me drink okay. Maybe let's go a play hard ball kaka, but it has been repetitive to the extent that yesterday, when Julian Alvarez met Diego Simeone, he told him say, "Club not catch it or no say they won't sell," and it was finito because Gil Marina can't first earlier on. And Matteo Alemani more at some point in time we're saying so Barca for him for baby be a my. Then Gil Marina said it again. Then Diego Simeone went in an interview and said, "Say this is the club stance." Then boy na boss so say Michio Moke o Johnny Omomunshia. Then he goes to meet the boy and tells he's a club no say on tongue, and he is willing to keep you. And in the net training, the boy is seen participating in training. Of course, it doesn't mean it's automatic or better, but he's going on with the training. Because I don't think Julian Alvarez would want to go the hard way. Because for how long? No, because on bad training or better field. it is going to be very difficult for him to do that. And I have a feeling that the more it drags, the more difficult it gets for Barcelona.
But I'm pushing for arbitration.
Oh, he will lose arbitration. Because there are two forms of arbitration.
The fact that me work 4-year contract on left, me contract I'm saying, so doesn't mean that chin will keep me.
Oh, no. If you have 4 years contract on your left, and she said chin say me keep you, but the contract dictates what both of us have to do.
Of course.
And the contract is clear. The contract is clear that so be so about the foul.
I'm a trigger 500 now.
Say on pay 500 million now. Then they have to find ways to negotiate. But we are not willing to. All the leverage, is with Atletico de Madrid. So they have to be very, very patient and then wait for them to bring them to the table. Yes, Rich.
What is the latest update on a brand tennis situation? And I'm meeting in Baso and I am so.
Yes. According to reports, there was Casa Corso. Whether that can be
a meeting,
like I say, a meeting, but